Hello. Let me first say that I'm personally so happy, as well as our whole team, to finally meet with our customers here in Barcelona after more than 800 days. Over the next 3 days, we are showcasing our latest technologies and solutions. So please visit our booth in hall number 3 at ISE Barcelona 2022. 4K is indeed important for us. Panasonic is the only manufacturer who can offer a full range of 4K products to our customers, from recording to display. With Panasonic's technology, we support our customers in creating the best possible experiences for their audience in many vertical markets, such as higher education, corporate, production, rental and stage, and also in new applications. For example, location-based entertainment with immersive experiences. From a technological point of view, one of the major trends is certainly connectivity. At Panasonic, it is our aim to give our customers maximum flexibility when it is about connectivity. Whether in our flat panel range or in our projectors, we are integrating Intel's SDM platform so that our customers can be sure to achieve that maximum level of flexibility. The future of higher education will combine a mixture of in-person, location-based programs, experiential learning, and the flexibility of both synchronous and asynchronous virtual learning. We can see that, especially in the pandemics, many universities in Europe have implemented strategies to respond better to their students' demand. That means offering classes on campus, deploying latest interactive technology, and offering to attend classes remotely. Lectures are being recorded on campus or at any other place and being streamed to a remote audience.